Today we will identify homographs. Homographs are words that have the same spelling but different meanings and sometimes different pronunciation. What different pronunciation means is that they sound different when you say them out loud. For example, down here we have tear and tear. So I'll tear the package open, or she left the room in tears. They're spelled the same, but they have different meanings and they sound different. Then we have the homographs where they're spelled the same, they sound the same, but they have different meanings. For example, we have sign and sign. Headaches may be a sign of stress, or you forgot to sign, excuse me, you forgot to sign the check. Firm and firm. I'm working for a firm of accountants, or these peaches are still firm. Tie and tie. He had to tie her hands together, or I tied my shoe, or I need to tie my shoe. I wear a shirt and tie at work. Then we have fly and fly. A fly was buzzing against the window, or let's fly a kite. Watch and watch. I like watching TV every night, or I glanced at my watch. Here are some other examples. We have bass and bass. I play bass in a jazz band, or fresh sea bass is a great delicacy. Can. I can speak French fluently. We drink a can of Coke each. Capital and capital. Cairo is the capital of Egypt, or you should write your name in capital letters. Commune. She lives in a commune, or it's a place to commune with other women. Chest and chest. Her heart was pounding in her chest, or in our family, we should have a medicine chest. And then fall and fall. This one we're very familiar with. The area is beautiful in the fall, or the rain was falling steadily, or I was about to fall off the stage. And then here are a couple more. Do these sentences have the same meaning? 1. Frank took a bow at the end of his performance. 2. The bow of the ship was pointing north. 3. I tie a bow on the present. Do they have the same meaning? We can already tell by the fact that they sound differently that they're not the same word. And the context that they're used in, if we're not sure, we can use our context clues. But the way that they're used, these sentences do not have the same meaning. An example of a homograph is on the left here. All of the students are present today, or Mr. Elms will present the award today at 1 o'clock. So we have present and present. Spelled the same, different pronunciation. Over here on the right, this is not homographs. This is my favorite pair of shoes, and can I have a bite of that pear? They both say pear, but they're spelled differently. So this is not homographs. So we are going to pause here. I'm going to give you 30 seconds in your own word. I want you to tell your partner the meaning of a homograph. And we're going to wrap it up in 3, 2, 1. Which is an example of a homograph? So A and B are going to give you two separate sentences, and you have to identify, is A an example of homographs or is B? So A, ouch, the mosquito bit me. I'll have a little bit of sugar in my tea. Or is B the homograph? I have $4 in my pocket. I want a truck for my birthday. So our answer here is A. Because B, although they sound the same, is not spelled the same. They are not spelled the same, so that is not homograph. It is important to identify homographs because it will, 1, help me understand when I read things, and 2, make me a better writer. Because remember, we talked about how reading and writing are connected. They are very, very related. They go hand in hand. So we're going to do some guided practice. Homographs are words with the same spelling but different meanings and sometimes pronunciation. Read the sentence and choose A or B. So on the next slide, you are going to type in this box which definition goes with that sentence. So let's try the first one together. The kids are going to watch TV tonight. Is that A, a small clock worn on the wrist, or B, look at? Well, we know we don't wear TV on our wrist. I mean, Apple Watches are pretty cool. You can do a lot with those, but it's not exactly something you watch TV on. So our answer here would be A. I'm sorry, B. It would be B. You were going to look at. So again, on the next slide, you are going to type your answer in the box next to each line. And do the same for the following slides. And if you have any questions, as always, please make sure you let me know so I can help you out.